took him out.
I guess this couldn't have been the March of 2010 one that started it all, because
and it was Giannis,
Lopez.
Middleton,
playoff basketball was on.
Well, the
Could've
other
been
thing
more
was
like
there were
May or
moments when
June,
Harden would get switched on
maybe
to people,
of
and there was
11,
never this light bulb moment.
maybe of 10, maybe
where the
of
guy would
11.
go, oh, James Harden's on me. I should just go buy him. He can't.
Pretty much
He's
from
playing
that
with, like,
2010
I don't feel like the
16,
Bucks ever
15,
really got,
16, 17.
You know, I mean, I guess in the Nets' credit, they knew
It was a
when to, like,
yearly
get into it,
occurrence
get out of it, but,
where
like, they did,
at
I
least
didn't feel
once
like
a
they got
year, usually
running
around
a lot.
spring,
I didn't feel like
I'd
they
have
ever made
these
Harden have to do the sprinting that's
breakdowns
really hard
where
on a hamstring injury, because
a
what
new
Harden did
delusion
out
would
there
pop up,
was
or
nuts. He played
I'd be
on a
really
busted hamstring for
intensely
almost the
set
entire
on
game,
the ones
but
that
they
I'd
were
already
saying during the
developed.
broadcast, like Steve Smith was or Grant Hill was saying, you know, you
So playoff basketball is on, and
that's where they injured him.
most of
All he had to do was
these
kind of lope around, and then every once in a while he's the guy who can hit the
breakdowns
backdoor pass
or